Hi traders, welcome to Khazanah Trade and Try. Today's video is about intraday trading of Bank Nifty, today's review and tomorrow's prediction based on CPR indicator. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. Learn these techniques and trade with no fear and no greed and keep your trading as simple as possible. We will see today's Bank Nifty chart. It's a 5 minutes chart of Bank Nifty of 26th August 21. Today's CPR is higher value CPR. Higher value CPR, it indicates it is a bullish day or bullish market. Again, today's CPR is a narrow CPR, little narrow CPR. It says it is a trending day. See how it was trended from here to here, or you can take it here. Then opening candle opened between CPR and S1 indicates it is a bearish market. The candles are opened below the CPR. It indicates it is a bearish, but at exactly at 35,400 it was opened, but market rejected the lower prices and market take a turn towards going on upside. See how it is going on upside. It was indicated in CPR. It's a bullish and it also trending day. What are all the key price indicators today's market? It has given 35,400. Just look at this one. Exactly at here candles are opened. It took a support exactly at 35,500, takes some resistance at exactly at CPR, and at 35,700 only market is traded for a long time, not going above 35,700, 35,800. So non-directional trade, yesterday I said no. Today I'm saying it is an yes because it's a expiry day. Non-directional traders also can trade between the range of 35,500 and around 35,800 because today is the expiry day. All OTM put and call is going to be zero. Non-directional trade with the range of around 300-350 points, they can take the trades very safely. Directional, yes, it is a bullish direction. You can take position somewhere here 35,500, around 35,500, and exit at 35,800 here, or here you can exit, since it is a, if you are a sold PE, then you can wait and take the advantage of theta benefit also. CPR is a home for candles. CPR attracts the candles. See, when price rejected here, CPR attracts the candles towards the CPR. See how majority of the time candles are close to the CPR or within the CPR. It was traded. It indicates it's like a sideways market. Both directional as well as non-directional traders can take safe trades. From here to here it is a bullish trade, and from 35,500 to 35,800 range it is a non-directional trade. Now then, coming to tomorrow prediction. Tomorrow's CPR is lower value CPR. It is a descending CPR. It indicates a bearish market. Tomorrow's CPR also, it is a narrow CPR, very narrow CPR. It is a trending market. As per CPR, it is bearish trending market. Depends on the opening candle. Non-directional traders better to avoid tomorrow because it is a, either it will take from the upside or it will take the downside. Directional traders, yes, you can enjoy tomorrow directional trade. Make proper trade setup, then trade with no fear and no greed. Keep your trading as simple as possible. To learn all the technical analysis and price actions, we are conducting 2 days workshop on technical analysis like trends, charts, supports and resistance, RSI, MACD, moving average, Heikin-Ashi, and also intraday trade setups, OHL, ORB, PRB, etc. and price actions and options basics to options advanced strategies, and also you are learning CPR indicators and tricks of CPR. Learn and earn. You can contact 96 866 85157. Thank you.